Hey, researchers. Did you know that's what you are? A researcher? Researchers think about something they don't know and they do some research to answer the questions that they have to learn more about their topic. Now, I bet you chose a great animal. And now we want to think about some strong questions we can ask so that we can research and find facts about our animal. So let's start. Habitat. Where does your animal live? What's the weather like in their habitat? What is special about their habitat? Researchers ask these kinds of questions so they can learn more about their topic. Diet. What does your animal eat? How much does your animal eat? How often does it need to eat? You want to find out, what are the animal's babies called? How many babies can they have? How long do the babies stay with their parents? And what do animal babies need to survive? You can ask questions about their appearance. What does your animal look like? Does the animal camouflage? Do the physical features help the animal to survive? What's the animal's life cycle? Notice that an ant starts as an egg. Then the egg becomes a larva. The larva becomes a pupa. And the pupa becomes an adult ant. And then the queen ant lays eggs and the life cycle starts all over again. Your animal may have a very different life cycle from an ant. What are some interesting facts about your animal? You may have questions, or you may find facts that you weren't even planning to look for. But you can ask, what is special about your animal? What did you learn that you didn't know before? Does your animal have an interesting feature or behavior? Now, to find the answers to these questions, you can use books on EPIC that your teacher assigns you. You can use a website like National Geographic Kids or an app, or you can use Kiddle.com and type in your animal, and you will have a ton of kid-friendly articles that will answer your questions. Or maybe you know a zookeeper or someone who knows a lot about animals. You can talk to an expert about your animal, and you'll be doing real research to find answers to great questions that you didn't know before. Work with your group because many hands make light work. You'll be able to use this graphic organizer to write the answers to your questions. Then when you and your group get together, you'll be able to see if you found the same information or if you find something different. Just remember, you cannot copy what another author writes. That's stealing. It's a fancy word called plagiarism. But you can write it in your own words the way you would answer the question. I can't wait to see what you come up with. On to fact finding and research. Off you go.